Island adventures, the K-car camping craze. The Philippines, an archipelago of over 7,000 islands, is a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts. With stunning beaches, lush mountains, and vibrant cities, there's something for everyone. Camping offers a chance to connect with nature and escape the hustle and bustle. K-cars, known for their compact size and fuel efficiency, are the vehicle of choice for these adventures. These small but mighty vehicles, particularly the Suzuki Every, are often seen navigating the islands. Roof carriers maximize space and enhance the camping experience. They provide a practical solution for transporting all the essentials. In a country where space is often a premium, roof carriers are indispensable. Let's delve deeper into the world of roof carriers and discover how they elevate the Filipino auto camping experience. Roof carriers unveiled, gear up for the journey. Imagine this, you're packed and ready for a weekend camping trip. Your key car, while compact and efficient, has limited cargo space. This is where the ingenious roof carrier comes in. A roof carrier is essentially an external storage solution that mounts onto the roof of your vehicle, significantly expanding your carrying capacity. It's like adding a whole new trunk, but on top. Roof carriers come in various forms, each designed to accommodate different types of cargo and activities. The two most common types are roof boxes and roof racks. Roof boxes, as the name suggests, are enclosed, aerodynamic containers that offer secure storage for your belongings, protecting them from the elements. Roof racks, on the other hand, are open frameworks with multiple attachment points, providing versatility in securing bulky or oddly shaped items. Whether you're carrying camping gear, sports equipment, or luggage, there's a roof carrier out there to suit your needs. The perks of packing, smart advantages of roof carriers. Roof carriers offer a multitude of benefits for auto campers, making them an invaluable investment for outdoor enthusiasts. Firstly, and perhaps most obviously, they significantly increase your vehicle's cargo space. This is particularly beneficial for families or groups traveling with a lot of gear. Instead of cramming everything inside the car, leaving passengers cramped and uncomfortable, roof carriers allow you to free up valuable interior space, ensuring a more comfortable and enjoyable ride for everyone. Secondly, roof carriers enhance the organization of your gear. With designated spaces for different items, you can easily access what you need without having to unload the entire vehicle. This is especially helpful when setting up camp or packing up to leave. Moreover, roof carriers provide peace of mind by keeping your belongings safe and secure. Roof boxes, in particular, offer weatherproof protection, ensuring your gear stays dry and protected from the elements. Roof box versus roof rack, choosing the right fit. Choosing between a roof box and a roof rack depends largely on your specific needs and preferences. Let's break down the pros and cons of each to help you make an informed decision. Roof boxes, with their enclosed design, offer unparalleled protection from the elements, making them ideal for carrying sensitive items like electronics, camping gear, and luggage. They also provide enhanced security, as they can be locked to deter theft. However, this added protection comes at the cost of versatility. Roof boxes are limited in terms of the size and shape of items they can accommodate. Roof racks, on the other hand, excel in versatility. Their open design allows you to secure a wide range of items, from bikes and kayaks to lumber and ladders. They are also generally more affordable than roof boxes. The trade-off is that roof racks offer minimal protection from the elements and theft. You'll need to invest in additional accessories like cargo bags, straps, or nets to secure and protect your belongings. Understanding the foundation of roof carriers. Before loading up, you need a solid foundation. This is where the base carrier comes in. It's the intermediary between your vehicle's roof and the roof box. Base carriers consist of bars, feet, and holders. Bars attach to the feet and provide the platform. Feet are the vertical supports. Holders connect the feet to the bars. Choose the right base carrier for safety and stability. Gearing up for adventure tips for first-time roof carrier users. Venturing into the world of roof carriers for the first time can seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. Here are some valuable tips to guide you through the process. First and foremost, invest in a high-quality roof carrier that's compatible with your vehicle and your intended use. Don't skimp on safety or durability. Remember, your belongings and potentially other drivers on the road depend on it. Secondly, take the time to read and understand the manufacturer's instructions for installation and use. Proper installation is crucial for ensuring the safety and stability of your roof carrier system. Thirdly, distribute the weight evenly inside your roof carrier and secure all items tightly using straps, ropes, or cargo nets. This will prevent shifting and damage during transit. Finally, practice driving with your roof carrier in a safe and controlled environment before embarking on a long journey. Get a feel for the vehicle's handling with the added height and weight. Choosing the perfect match. Finding the right roof carrier for your needs. With so many roof carrier options available, choosing the right one for your needs can feel overwhelming. Here are some factors to consider. Firstly, determine your budget. Roof carriers can range in price from a few $100s to over $1,000, depending on the type, size, features, and brand. Secondly, consider the size and weight capacity of the roof carrier. Make sure it can accommodate all your gear, both in terms of volume and weight. Check your vehicle's owner's manual for the maximum roof load capacity. Thirdly, think about the type of activities you'll be doing. If you're primarily using the roof carrier for camping trips, a roof box might be a good option. If you're transporting bikes, kayaks, or other bulky items, a roof rack would be more suitable. Finally, consider the aesthetics and aerodynamics of the roof carrier. Some models are sleeker and more aerodynamic than others, which can impact fuel efficiency and noise levels. Safety first, essential tips for secure packing and driving. While roof carriers offer a convenient way to transport your belongings, it's crucial to prioritize safety, both for yourself and others on the road. Here are some essential tips for secure packing and driving. Firstly, distribute the weight evenly inside the roof carrier, placing heavier items lower and towards the center. This will help maintain the vehicle's stability and handling. Secondly, secure all items tightly using straps, ropes, or cargo nets, preventing shifting or movement during transit. Loose items can become dangerous projectiles in the event of sudden braking or an accident. Thirdly, be mindful of the added height of your vehicle with the roof carrier installed. Pay attention to clearance heights at parking garages, drive-thrus, and other low-hanging obstacles. Finally, adjust your driving habits to accommodate the added weight and height. Accelerate and brake more gradually and allow for a wider turning radius. Maintenance matters. Keeping your roof carrier in top shape. Like any other piece of equipment, your roof carrier requires regular maintenance to ensure its longevity and optimal performance. Here are some maintenance tips. Firstly, after each use, inspect your roof carrier for any signs of wear and tear, such as loose bolts, cracks, or damage to the finish. Address any issues promptly to prevent further damage. Secondly, clean your roof carrier regularly using a mild detergent and water. Remove any dirt, grime, or road salt that can accumulate over time and corrode the materials. Thirdly, lubricate any moving parts such as locks, hinges, or sliding mechanisms with a silicone-based lubricant. This will prevent rust and ensure smooth operation. Finally, if you live in a coastal area or frequently encounter harsh weather conditions, consider applying a protective coating, such as wax or sealant, to the roof carrier surface. This will help prevent corrosion and fading caused by salt, sun, and other environmental factors. Beyond the basics, exploring advanced roof carrier accessories. Once you've mastered the basics of roof carriers, you can explore a world of accessories designed to enhance their functionality and convenience. For example, if you frequently transport bikes, consider investing in a bike rack attachment for your roof rack. These attachments securely hold your bikes in place, preventing damage and making it easier to load and unload them. If you're an avid camper or outdoor enthusiast, a rooftop tent can transform your vehicle into a mobile campsite. These tents mount directly to your roof rack, providing a comfortable and elevated sleeping space with stunning views. For added security and peace of mind, consider installing a roof carrier lock system. These systems deter theft and provide an extra layer of protection for your belongings. Finally, if you live in an area with extreme weather conditions such as heavy snow or intense sun, specialized covers are available to protect your roof carrier and its contents from the elements. These covers provide a barrier against moisture, UV rays, and debris, extending the lifespan of your roof carrier. Join the adventure, subscribe for more K-car and camping fun. As you can see, Roof carriers open up a world of possibilities for adventure seekers and outdoor enthusiasts, especially in the Philippines, where K cars are growing. Whether you're planning a weekend camping trip, a cross-country road trip, or simply need extra storage space for your everyday errands, there's a roof carrier solution out there for you. We hope this comprehensive guide has provided you with valuable insights into the world of roof carriers and inspired you to explore the great outdoors with confidence and ease. Stay tuned for more K trends from around the world. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming adventures. Until next time, happy camping.